Great, now tornado sirens are going off. And we're now under a tornado watch now, so. Yeah, today's weather is very severe now. It's very severe. Look at it. I'm already in Addison. Look at it. Already under a tornado watch. Yeah, today is not cooperating. As you can see, it's like, it says on the clock. Does it say anything on the clock? Never mind that. It said 9:31 on there. Already going to church. And it's under a tornado watch now. Dang. So we continue this going to church. Well, might as well be on the lookout for a tornado. Yeah, so there's definitely going to be no siren test today.